talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click here in this sign, it's going to take you to, or it's going to show for you this like this here. Click on profile. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you list like this. You click here on settings. Then you come to settings list here. Just go down here. Then you click here on notification filter. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just keep going down here, come here to likes of your comments, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my likes of your comments disable with us now. Go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.